Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to backup Orcaslicer. So this is the easiest way to save all your custom printers, filaments and process profiles into a single file. So how we do that is pretty much simple. So click on the file in the very top left menu bar, hover your mouse cursor over export, click on the export configuration bundle. Here at the bottom, so export preset bundle is the other option. Now here what you're going to do, so file window will pop up, choose a safe place to save the file. What we can do here, so printer configuration button, so select that. Now like that, what we can do next, okay. We can also select as the zip file, for example, and then what we are going to do is just something is joking with me here. Okay, now we will click OK. Okay, so here right now I can see it. I don't know why, but you will need to select at least one printer that we have. So right now is something happening that I can do that. Okay, here on the other screen. Now I have selected, so let's say select this folder, and after that you will see that export is successful. Just click yes, and if we go here, we will see that we have now this generic PLA Orca filament saved right here. And now you have everything saved in one file. So yeah, this is basically it. You can now transfer that to the other device or on your USB flash drive. You can also name now this file however you want. So if you right click on it and then just click on rename. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next